Healthy coral reefs build and maintain these beautiful and complex three-dimensional structures, and as water passes over them, it creates an equally complex flow environment. Unfortunately, as reefs around the globe degrade, that three-dimensional structure is eroding away. A degraded coral reef loses its structure, its rich flow regimes, and eventually most of its diversity. To restore coral reefs, we have to understand how all of the players on a reef, from the smallest microbes to the largest apex predators, interact with the surrounding water in ways that promote reef health. In the Rohwer lab at San Diego State University, we are designing and deploying structures called coral reef arks, or simply Arks, as a coral reef conservation and restoration tool. On an ark, a complex mini reef community is built, which can then be moved up and down in the water column to study how an entire reef community responds to different conditions, such as differing water flow patterns. Coral reef communities on the sea floor face threats like sedimentation and lack of oxygen. Arks in the coral reef communities they support are moved up into the water column, where higher flow speeds and light can support the health of the community. So far, our testing with Arks has shown that they provide a flow environment similar to a healthy coral reef. Higher flow on the outside of Arks supports corals and other organisms that build reef, while the structural complexity of Arks creates reduced flow zones on the interior that supports nutrient recycling and provides a habitat for organisms that make their home inside reefs. Current and flow measurements, both inside and outside Arks, are a crucial piece of the puzzle in understanding how reefs respond to changes in their environment and how we might be able to help them recover. Keep track of our progress at www.coralarks.org as we deploy and test coral arks around the globe.